with Kid Choi. On today's episode, we'll be making chicken Alfredo with penne noodles. Let's get started. First, we're going to pour our noodles. So now we're going to pour the flour to make Alfredo sauce. Just pour the flour in the melted butter and then stir it down. So now we add cream to the roux. Be careful, everyone. So now we add salt and pepper. Now we season the chicken. Now we sear the chicken. Now that the cream is ready, let's add the Parmesan cheese. Dump it all in, and then stir.
Good job, buddy.
Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah,
stir it?
yeah,
Okay.
that was good, buddy.
Oh,
Making
yeah.
Alfredo sauce is the first one. Good job.
Now it's time to flip the chicken. Oh, that good meat. So my dad is cutting the chicken. So here's our chicken Alfredo with penne noodles. I hope you had a really good time watching this episode. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!